The internet makes a difference to our lives. With more and more popularity of network, a variety of communication methods have been proposed. It's convenient to exchange ideas and keep in touch with each other. In addition, it provides its children with an unbelievable opportunity to be exposed to extremely extraordinary knowledge they have never met, if the children reach self-discipline enough. Not only that, it has also made it easier for people to share different types of beauty, because people are always posting pictures on social media. Then they can combine business with pleasure so that they can get themselves to relax and relieve stresses which are unnecessary.